Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating a focused project, set resolution and 30 FPS, then import your footage. This gives consistent color space. Once imported, place the clip on layer 1 and immediately duplicate it. You keep an untouched reference so mistakes are reversible. Next, select the top duplicate and open the effects panel. This is where you'll build the invert. Make sure to disable any auto-correction presets first, because those change values and make inversion unpredictable. With the duplicate selected, add the color correction invert effect. You immediately see colors flip, which is the core step. Once done, layer a curves or levels effect after the invert to recover midtone detail. You're counteracting blown highlights and crushed shadows. Then, experiment with the duplicate's blend mode and opacity. Multiply, screen, or overlay produce different artistic results. Make sure to preview at full resolution and scrub the timeline to confirm the inversion. To finish, render a short test segment so you can inspect color fidelity and motion artifacts in a real playback context. If you notice color clipping or banding, reduce exposure or adjust curves. This preserves detail after inversion. Once satisfied, hide the original reference layer and export using a high-quality codec. That keeps colors intact. If something goes wrong, reopen your duplicated layer and reset the invert effect parameters. Undoing only the effect is faster than rebuilding the whole stack.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.